The chapter is quadratic equations for standard 10. It's given the hypotenuse of a right triangle is 3 root 10 centimeters. The smaller leg is tripled and the longer leg doubled. New hypotenuse will be 9 root 5 centimeters. How long are the legs of the triangle? So this is the first figure. The hypotenuse is 3 root 10. Let the smaller leg be x and the longer leg y. Now in the new triangle, after the increase, the smaller leg is tripled, that is 3x, and it is doubled, the longer one doubled, 2y, and the hypotenuse is 9 root 5. Now we apply the Pythagoras theorem. So x squared plus y squared is equal to 3 root 10 the whole squared. So from that you get x squared plus y squared is equal to 90. Then from the figure 2 we get 3x the whole squared plus 2y the whole squared is equal to 9 root 5 the whole squared. So if you simplify, you get 9x squared plus 4y squared is equal to 405. And then here now we will substitute y squared is equal to 90 minus x squared here. And now you get a quadratic equation. Simplifying, you get 5 into x squared minus 9 is equal to 0, from which you get x squared minus 9 equal to 0, x squared equal to 9. So x is equal to plus or minus 3. Now we have to omit minus 3 because x and y are the lengths. So length cannot be negative. So ignore x equal to minus 3. So we will take x is equal to plus 3. Now we have to find the other leg also. So y is equal to, we have to substitute in this equation x squared plus y squared is equal to 90. So y squared is equal to 90 minus x squared. X squared is 9. So you get y squared is equal to 81. Again y is equal to plus or minus 9. Again you have to write, we have to ignore y equal to minus 9 since it is the length cannot be negative. So the length of the sides are 3 and 9 centimeters. The side of a square exceeds the side of another square by 4 centimeter, and the sum of the areas of two squares is 400 centimeters squared. Find the dimensions of the squares. So let the side of the first square be x centimeter. Second square, the side of the square exceeds the side of another square by 4. So the other side is x plus 4 centimeters. Now sum of the areas of the two squares is 400 centimeters squared. So area of the first square is x squared. Second is x plus 4 the whole squared. The sum is equal to 400. So x squared plus, this is x squared plus 8x plus 16 equal to 100. Now you will get, simplify, you get x squared plus 4x minus 192. Then splitting of the middle terms, you get x minus 12 into x plus 16 equal to 0. Again 12 and minus 16, ignore x is equal to minus 16 because length cannot be negative. So we have to take x is equal to 12. So the second square, the side of the second square will be x plus 4. So 12 plus 4, 16. So dimensions are 12 centimeters and 16 centimeters respectively. A square flower bed is prepared in the center of a square field whose side is 44 meters. So the square field is, this is a square field, the side is 44 meters. Inside there is a flower bed is, again it is a square, leaving a gravel path all around the flower bed. So this is the gravel path. The total cost of laying the flower bed and graveling the path at rupees 2.75 and rupees 150 per meter squared respectively is rupees 4,904. We have to find the width of the gravel. This width we have to find. So this is 44. So let us assume x be the width of the gravel path. So now area of the square field will be, this is 44. So the full field will be 44 into 44, get 1936. Now for this field, flower bed, this is also a square. To find the length, you have to reduce this x and this x from the total length. This is the total is 44. So minus x and minus x, that will be the length of this flower bed, length of this square, which is this flower bed. So area of this flower bed will be equal to 44 minus 2x the whole squared. Now what will be the area of the gravel path? That will be, this path will be the full area minus the area of the flower bed. You will get the area of this path, that is 1936 minus 44 minus 2x the whole squared. If you simplify this, you get 176x minus 4x squared. Now it is given the cost of graveling the path. The flower bed is 2 rupees 75 paise. So cost of laying the flower bed is equal to, area is 44 minus 2x squared. So 44 minus 2x squared, 2x the whole squared, into, now it is 2.75. So now we will convert this. So it is, anyway this is in rupees also, this is 2.75, so we will write it as 2.75. Or instead of 2.75, we can write this as 275 by 100 for easy calculation. So we will get this as, if you simplify, you get this as 11 into 22 minus x squared. Do the calculation and find C. Now cost of laying the path is equal to, again area of the path is equal to 176x minus 4x squared. Now this into, it is given 1 rupees 50 paise. So we will write that as 150 by 100. So that is equal to, again simplifying, you get 6 into 44x minus x squared. Now it is given the total cost is 4 rupees 4,904. So this plus this is equal to 4,904. So we will write down the equation as minus x squared plus 6 into 44x minus x squared is equal to 4904. So this is x squared is 2 is here, it is 22 minus x the whole squared. So 11 into a minus b the whole squared. So we will write this as 484 minus 44x plus x squared plus multiply this. So we get 264x minus 6x squared is equal to 4904. Then again simplifying, you will get this as 5x squared minus 220x plus 420 is equal to 0. Now when you simplify this, when you factorize this, you will get it as x minus 2 into x minus 42. If you are not comfortable with factorizations, splitting of this middle terms, you can use minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. Use that formula and you can find the values of x. So you will get x is equal to 2 and 42. Now the length of the whole square is 44. So you cannot have 44 as the width of the path, because then 44 plus 42 plus 42, 84. This itself will be 84, but the total length is 44 only. So we cannot take 42 as a value. We have to take x is equal to 2 as a value. So we have to write it as ignore x is equal to 42 as the side of the square itself is 44 meters. Therefore, side of the square is equal, side of the width of the path is x is equal to 2 meters.